What happen if I click go live? Are we live or we like unlisted live? Chat, hold me, I'm scared. Excuse me, where do I even look at it if I'm streaming or not? Your channel. No video. But I have some. I do have. Unlisted, okay, we're cool. Stop. Alright. Can I pop out chat? Yes, that's what I want. How do I get out? Unlisted replay once. Unlisted live replay once stream start. Stream ends. Does it mean that if it's already unlisted, is it just to get unlisted? How does it work? Hello. I think so. I think this is live, but it's unlisted. Not quite sure how it works. YouTube and their mysterious ways. Oh, hold on, you can see here. Unlisted. I can see it unlisted, and if I go to my own profile, which obviously I can see because my profile, I go to video. Oops. Yeah, I have here unlisted and some other unlisted stuff. Remember this? Asa Shafiq. Very cool, very cool. Alright, thanks for checking out. I just wanted to see how life works. Let's go public, baby. Public, safe. Is it changed? Your channel, yes. Man, I don't know how YouTube works. Live, yep, I am live. Poggies. I don't think I have anything that I shouldn't show here. Alright, stream help. Where is my song? Where did I put it? Let's see. Public unlisted. Public means it's public. I mean both of public and unlisted, those are just a visibility kind of stuff. But it's live right now, yeah, for sure. Public is public, obviously. Like you can search, you can open the link and you can see. Unlisted is technically everyone can see if they have the link. If they don't have the link, they can't go search. If they search for the title, they're not gonna find it. So that's the difference between public and unlisted. And another one is private, whereas private is literally just only I can see it, nobody else can. Yeah, anyone with the link can find. Go shit. Pause, I guess. The thing is, once I stream in OBS, there's go live here. I don't know, man. YouTube works differently. Box stream. Upcoming famous. No, I'm doing some coding, dude. I hope I don't reveal anything sensitive. Man, it should be fine if nobody watches. Yeah. Okay. Burns am I on? Featured, okay. I need to make the font bigger for the chat. How do I make chat font bigger? It's where the fuck is it? It's Bass Rebels. It's a copyright free music. You know, with Twitch usually I just don't really care much. I mean, if it's gonna get claimed, it's just gonna mute the section. But YouTube, you know, it's a bit monka-esque. Like anything can happen, so I don't really want to fuck up my shit. You can check in the description. Oh shit, you can check in the description below. There's a link to the YouTube page for the provider. It should be there, I think. What? I want to change the font size. Oh shit, you're the moderator now, Park. I just zoom in. How do I? I'm blind. I need it to be huge. No, what did I click? Stop. I know Control Plus, but the thing is, there's this thing. You see this? Oh shit! Actually, I should show it like this. You see this? This thing. Or maybe if after you chat, it will go. It will go away. I hope. It's Control Plus. Yeah, you can. I thought I can close it, but the thing is, like. Oh wait. Oh yeah. If you're open, okay. Let's see. If you open Twitch chat. Oh, that's not what I clicked. If you open Twitch chat, you can actually pop it up and then increase the size, you know. Oh my god, chat. Where did chat go? My CPU is like 94. It's blazing inferno right now. If I'm gone, I'm gone, dude. Save my soul, please. Yeah. Set font size, yeah. Oh, but this is Better TV. I think even without Better TV, you can still change size if I recall correctly. Do you not? Can you not? Shit, my bad. I don't know. Save thy soul. Beautiful. Oh shit. Oh, if Kuseki can see my stream, then it means it's actually public then, because I didn't send my link to Kuseki. Okay. Konnichiwa, minasan. Then I guess whatever then. Let's go back here. Let's put it over here. Yeah, I mean, it was unlisted before, and then I just asked Mr. Troops to check the stream by giving a link. Hey, did you guys turn on the bell? Click the bell. How do I add Kuseki to mod? Kuseki is numerator. Okay, cool. Good shit. So what we want to do is add a gear. Okay. Give some backstory here. We now have an API.mozamkamal, where if you go, take some time because servers need to boot up, and then you get some result. It's the root API, and then you get just the confirmation that the server is online. But what it is used for is that when I go for /gear, I can get what my current CPU or whatever other gears that I have, like basically making it this my website, but in a more easier for computer to understand, I guess. Like if for example you don't want to see it through a web, you know, maybe you want to get it through script. You just want to know what CPU I have, what content or what product, how many quantity or whatever. I think this ID should not be here. I should remove this ID. We'll look into fixing that. Maybe we should do this, because I don't think this is a good idea. This is database ID. You should not really show it to the public. Database ID, security flaw. Let's note that. Brain simulation. Go sleep, dude. What time is it? It's 11. Go get your sleep. Tomorrow is school days. Okay, then. Okay, maybe instead of doing that, we'll solve the database issue first. Have I committed anything in this? Shit, what the fuck is this? It's 11 here. Yeah. I'm definitely on in a different world from you. It's the same time zone, my guy. Yeah, it is the same time zone. Okay, all right. Then we'll fix the create new branch from. Let's do fix database ID. Database ID. Yeah. Then we get from master. Then when we get a gear. Ooh, how do we remove that? Okay, we do it this way. Oh shit, I didn't have my server running. Bribe, bro. What is it called again? Docker run, Docker start, Docker container, start, MongoDB. Okay, it is. Yeah, I was right. This is not where I want it to be. Projects. What is it? This API? Yeah, API. Creating an API backend for my website. Basically, as in right now, what it's supposed to achieve is just to display and just show what gear am I currently, like what PC gear that I'm currently using right now. Like, you can go to mozamkamal.com/gears and then it will show what I have right now. But you know, it's in a website format. It's a UI and whatever. It's not really UI, but well, it is in a way, right? User interface. But with the API backend, maybe you wanna get the whatever I'm using in raw data, basically. So maybe you wanna use it in a different way instead of showing in a website. Maybe you wanna show it in a different way, you know. So that's why the purpose of the API, and also because I want to learn the API. And you can also actually go to. Maybe I should put it here. Did I do the arrow thing though? GitHub. Because I do have it on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, alright. Then you can see it. The purpose of it is because I want to learn Deno. Deno is a new runtime application. Is that what they call it? Let's open Deno. Secure runtime JavaScript for JavaScript and TypeScript. If you heard of Node before, Node.js, basically it's the same. It's the same concept, but it's supposed to be more secure than Node. Deno is supposed to be more secure. And also I want to learn a bit of TypeScript, and I want to learn how to make an API. It really doesn't serve any purpose. I mean, nobody really gonna use it. Well, only I can, not the one gonna use it. Okay, should I be used? How am I supposed to filter out this KDB dot? Can we filter out something? Oh shit. MongoDB filter out fields. filter aggregation. Query for null and missing field. How am I supposed to, I want to have two of my chat, because I have two different desktop here. If I'm on this desktop, I can't see chat because chat is on a different desktop. Can I have two of this? How do I open two of this? Oh, never mind. I find a big brain idea. Apparently, hold on, can I show it? Apparently, if I can right click this, and it's always on top and always on visible workspace. So if I click this, big brain is always there with me. Hoggies. Alright, nice. Okay. How do you filter out? Filter input as num condition. I don't want that. ID. Is it meta showing ID? Shit. MongoDB ID cap out. Is it safe to use public in public? The chat ID states that the automatically generated ID includes a 3-byte machine hash. It's not unconceivable that someone could figure it out by your internal networking by comparing these 3 inverse IDs, but unless you're working for the Pentagon, that doesn't seem worth worrying about. You're much likely to be vulnerable to something more boring like misconfigured Apache. Other than that, there's nothing inherently insecure about exposing IDs through URL. Whether it's ugly oh, okay. I have no experience in Mongo in production environment, so don't take my answer. Pretty be invalidating input, not letting new database without proper protection. Remember Git's protection. Okay. Alright, so then we don't have to fix it. If the ID is fine to be shown, then... But... the thing is, it doesn't serve any purpose to the user because this is the unique ID, this is not the unique ID. I mean, technically this is the unique ID, but I want to use CPU as the unique ID. Pentagon Monka, yes indeed, my guy. Like, we're not making a fucking NEC Pentagon kinda API backend here, dude. I'm making it API for myself. Okay. Maybe security wise is fine, shouldn't matter, but I still don't want it to be there. Things, can we filter out using MongoDB's way? Or there's a way for TypeScript or like a function to remove it? I have to make it my own. Let's see if there's other people take it. Is it a bad to change inserting dot possibility? Can I use how to use it? MongoDB ID. Fuck. Hello? Filter out. Filter out. How do I search by? Cannot find. Cannot filter out ID. I think that's not a thing. I think removing it like that is not a thing. I don't get it. What is this supposed to be? Select a subset of an array. A subset of an array to return based on a specific condition. Return an array with only those elements that matches. Oh no, this is not what I want. Yeah, no. TypeScript. Script remove property from object. Is that what I want? Is it a property? Yeah, this is a property. I want to remove this ID property. But what am I? Remove a property from JavaScript objects. Delete. Oh, that's all? That's all you have to do? Just say sooner, my guy. Wait, my chat is no longer on top. Okay, it is now. Alright, cool. Just delete CAC. Yeah, exactly. But I'm responding immediately now. Okay, then we store it in the variable first then. Let's do it this way. Copy this. Can you delete if it's a constant? I don't think you can. Let's find out. Yes equal to await and then we do delete. Yes. Dot. What is it called? Underscore ID, was it? Okay. So let's show a big brain stuff here. Postman. No, I don't want to use Postman. Do I? Where is my Postman? Hello? Takes so long to open. Can I open something else? Insomnia. There we go. No, this is Postman. Get out. And now my Insomnia is waiting. Okay. Basically, Insomnia and Postman is a tool to check your, do some debug. Not really for debugging. It's for checking APIs related stuff. Oh yeah, I didn't turn it on yet. Then none. Oh my god, I forgot the command. Postman has been known to be what's the word? Longer, I think. It's been out longer, and also my opinion probably doesn't matter because I'm literally new to API related stuff backend. Insomnia is, I think, it's free, open source. I'm not sure it's open source, but it's free. Postman, to work in a group, you have to pay. But I don't know. I tried using. The only reason I installed Postman is because I tried to put my, where is it? Oh, it's not here. Post. And here, I tried to put my, this is a API key for my local server, so this is not really sensitive data. It should be, but this is local, so it doesn't really matter. Is that sometimes when I try to put, let's try to put something. When I try to put something, and then sometimes it just disappear, you know? Like the API key, this field just reverts back to whatever it was before. And then I thought those keys as a, you know, invalid keys, you know, but there's no such thing as invalid keys. It depends on the server, you know. There's no formatting for a key. It can be anything you want. Then I tried on Postman and it worked, so it is what it is. Huh? Alright, so local should be up now. Yep, it's up. What I was trying to do. Oh, I was trying to see if I can delete it. Okay. So if it's underscore ID and then here and then delete that and then we return back this, right, to the user. Yes, yeah, send. Nothing. Oh, because the server, I think it's because there's nothing in the server right now of we need to insert something then. Hardware component here, okay. Then we send. Yep, we inserted this, 201 created. And then we get back whatever it was. It's still there though. F. Oh, because it's an array. Gear is an array of object. Ah. Well. I guess can you do? Does he have map? Does TypeScript have map? Gear. And then in gear. What map does is basically a for loop, but in a shorter way, I guess. Yeah, but never used. Yeah, I know. Shut up. I'm trying to use it now. Del lit. Oh, is it like this? Gear underscore ID, something like that. Okay. Implicit type any. It should be object. That's not existent type object. Okay, then any then. Does it work though? Because this is a constant. We'll find out. Send. Hey, it's gone. Alright, problem solved. Then we commit it. It's a bug fix. Progress chat. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Fix database ID. No, database ID. No, database ID. Collection ID. Fix IDs. add this visible to public. I guess so. Yep, and then we push it. Yeah, publish. Origin. Is it push yet? Dah bisa, yep, it's here. Good shit. And then this ID is visible to public. Okay. We don't want to push it to production yet. You just keep it local here. We keep it just on my GitHub first. Oh, we should. Yeah, I think it's fine. You can just leave it like that first. Yeah, actually, wait. Let's push it. Let's push it to production. Fix ID visible. Yeah, create pull request. And then some check, some what is it? Status check need to be done to be passed to pass, or we can merge these two two branches. While it does the testing, let's switch branch to get gear. All right. Here, what we want to do is that when you do a gear, it should be showing ID, yeah, because this is a different branch. That's how it works. Okay, it shows an array of gears or hardware that I have, and yeah, it's good to have to know everything. But sometimes you just know what CPU. You just want to know one single hardware, you know. So we need to add cons. Can I close that? Okay, get a gear. How is the font of the thing? I can make it bigger though if it's hard to see for you guys. Async context any. So this time we need to check if the hardware exists first, right? Shape unknown. No worries, all good. If you can see, then it's all good. Gear component, okay. So instead of opening the database and finding with no restriction, which would mean it finds everything, we put a restriction like this. So we have parameter. Where is the parameter? New gear.hardware gear. No, that's not what I want. Can I close it? Oh, there we go. There we go. Const hardware context params. This will get the parameter input from the user. User will tell if it's a CPU or is it a memory or whatever, and then we search it. We can just actually copy these two things. Copy paste. See, I think people always said that a good rule of thumb is to watch yourself whenever you do a lot of copy pasting. If you do a lot of copy pasting, that means there's a room for you to do some refactoring and put it into different functions or different, you know, to reduce the amount of code duplicity. Yes, but in this scenario, I don't really see how it would make it more complicated, you know. Sometimes, yeah, I mean, like, oh yeah, I, like, rather than have 4 lines, I have 1 line or 2 lines, and you only have to call it once, and it does everything. But then it kind of affects the readability, I guess. It's where you have to find the balance between those two things. So in this case, I could, yeah, because GearDB is already from a different file, a different helper file that I created. And find1 is already a function from MongoDB library. If I make it a different, because I'm also doing a tool over here. because I want to make sure it's lowercase. What are we checking here for? I'm confused. We're getting the parameter and then we're getting whatever we're getting, and then we return back to the user, right? That's what we're doing. Yeah. Ooh, but at the same time we're fuck. But at the same time we wanna filter out the ID. It's fine. It's fine. We can just do the delete again. I don't think that's need to be refactored into a different function. Such a small task that it will make the code longer if you try to refactor it somewhere else. So in this case, I checked. The reason I tried to get the hardware is because I want to check if it exists before. If it exists in the database, you can't add it. Sorry, no. So if it doesn't exist, then you can't add it, because get gears will get every single gear, every single hardware. Get a gear, get a single hardware. Add gear is add one single hardware. Add a component is a component to the gear. Like for example, for keyboard hardware, maybe you have multiple components, as in one keyboard, two keyboard, three keyboard. As like for example, in my, did I close it? Yeah, I did close it. Good songs like that. If you guys see, for example, audio hardware, I have two. Because I have my audio interface and also I have my earphones. Like keyboard, I didn't specify my other keyboards, but yeah. And some of them, like the reason why I have it in a, because the what's it called? The data structure for my object that I return back is that you have the hardware, whereas this is unique. You can only have one type of hardware at one time. So this is a CPU hardware, and then it has an array of components, where one component needs a name. For example, the name of the hardware, and the name of the component. How much is it? The reason why unique quantity is because, for example, you have a hardware of a memory or RAM, and a component. You have one component, which is for example 8 GB of memory, and you have two of them, so you have two quantity and so on. And a banner is just basically, you can see, is it open if I click it? Yeah, it does. Just show if you want to show like the banner behind it, aesthetic reasons. So in that sense, when you want to add a new, for example, if you already added, okay, you can see here, remember just now I just added a CPU into the database to one created. It says 10 minutes ago. If I try to add CPU again, yeah, I can't. Hardware already exists. Consider adding components to it instead. So what it means is that, oh, I want to add this component, which is a CPU, but oh, it's actually not allowed because CPU already exists. Instead, what I can do is, assuming this is, I didn't do any error checking, duplicate checking, but if you try to go to gear CPU and then you try to add, what did I paste or not? What the fuck? Copy. Alright, okay, if I were to do this, but then it should add. Yep, it added. Now I have two components. Technically, this is not a good. I don't know why is it out of order like this when I have name quantity hyperlink and it's hyperlink quantity name. But in a sense of what you do with the data, it doesn't really matter what order they are, because you never really care. You don't really care what order they are. Maybe it's something to do with how I added it. I just push it though. Yeah, I don't know. I tried to Google and find out why is it inverted. Like, what happened is that you get the object component here, which is, oh shit, which is this, what I just added. This is a component. I get that component, and then I strip unknown value. It will check for, basically, if I have like that's name quantity hyperlink, and for example, if I were to add more stuff like random key, random what was the name, key value, key yeah, random object to it, no, not object, random attribute to it, then it will remove that random attribute because it only cares for name, quantity, and hyperlink. So there's more, like a lot of other nonsense, it would just take it out. All right, and then yeah, take those out, and then get the current gear and then push it into that. Now, why is it inverted? I tried, you know, I tried, but I guess it doesn't work. Component push comp. Let's see. Can we log this out? We'll see what happened actually here. Is it the database or before the database is already get fucked? What the fuck? Can you autofill? There we go. Oh, I need to try. Let's try adding it again. What is this? Yeah. Oh, but this time it's not inverted. What? I'm confused. What's going on? Then? No? Then? Hello? What happened? Why is this inverted? Monka S. Can I Ctrl Z this? Was it inverted before? It was not inverted before the name, quantity, apply. Oh, it might have been actually. That's the thing with Insomnia. Sometimes the JSON object that I pass it to, it doesn't update properly. It might have been like, remember this is the original data before I deleted it, and then I pasted this one. This one has hyperlink first, quantity, and then name. I think when I try to send to the ABI backend, it actually takes this as a payload instead of whatever I just put here. I think so. Let's try it again. Yeah, see? And then if it updates slowly, it updates too slow. And I try to send again, and then it should be fine now. It's not fine now. Everything is broken now. Help. Right. Look at that. It just changed randomly, dude. I don't understand. Look at that. I can't put this, dude. Is it because it's the wrong format? I don't know. Who knows, dude? Oh, now it saves. 10. Yeah, now it's fine. I don't know. That's why I changed to Postman to do some testing. But then I really like Insomnia's layout, you know. I guess we'll go to Postman. We should really delete all of this. So far, I haven't added a way to delete one component. Should I? I don't know. There's a lot of checking. You have to check if it exists in the database, and then you have to match that specific component. Probably I'm not gonna make it able to do that. Yeah, it can't do shit, man. Literally Insomnia. Let's set my API def, and then API key. Oh no, my API key is leaked. 1, 2, 3, right? Yep, it was 1, 2, 3. Oh, can I duplicate this? I should have done that instead. Oh, but if I did, but the key is different. You know, I can't duplicate. Add a request. Root. Close. Root. HTTP localhost 3000. Send. Okay, works. You know, like the UI is so cluttered. You know, I like this. It looks very simple. You know, like you get this on the left, your payload here, and then your results here, and then this it's the other way around. I mean, you still have your stuff on the left, but your payload is at the, I mean your payload is at the top here. Can I move this down? Apparently you can't. And then you have save for some reason. I don't know what's that for. And then you got your data results at the bottom here. I don't like the UI, but at least it works, right? It works better. Next is what? Gears. This is a get request here. Then up, you get all this. Okay, all good. And then what else was there? Get CPU. Wait, get CPU shouldn't work, right? It doesn't exist yet. Method not allowed. Yeah, I haven't added yet. That's what we're adding right now. So then let's get to adding then. Oh, this is the console log just now. Yeah, all of them. Oh yeah, this one is the right order. The thing is, even after what I tried to search was that if the user entered in the wrong order, is there a way for the backend server to correct it to the right order? Because the backend does know the correct order. If you go to the DB, oh, it's not DB. What the fuck is it? Validation, yeah, comp. Go to definition. Here, okay. You have name first, description, quantity, and hyperlink. So it does know the order. It's just that I guess you can't fix it. It doesn't know how to fix it, which is why I kind of gave up. Like if someone enter the data in the wrong order, then so be it. And as long as the validation will check if the required fields are there or not. If the correct fields are there, then good enough. Call it a day, All right. Adding a gear. Where is the a gear? Yeah, here. We get the whatever the hardware user wants. Find it if it exists, and then we filter it out first, right? This is one object. Hello, where's my? And then we do what's it? Delete gear dot id. And then we return, right? Context the response body. Go to key. That's all, right? What else? And then you have to export this function. All right, man. Get some sleep. Thanks for staying around. All right, man. See ya. All right, then we export those functions. Get a gear. Where's get a gear? Get a gear. And we do here. We export it. Did we export it properly? Yeah, we did. Yup. Is it? Did I not use yup at all here? I mean, if my editor says I don't use it, then I guess I didn't use it. What if I take it out? Will it break? Nothing breaks. Nothing breaks. Everything's fine then. Routes. I should import. Get a gear. Then we need to another get request. Get a gear. Is this a hardware? And then get a gear. Yep. And then see, does it compile? Yep, it runs. We add a new quest. Let's call it gear. Oh no, it shouldn't be gear. It should be CPU, because I want to check for CPU specifically. Let's try something else. Let's try RAM. It shouldn't exist, but let's try. Save. Close. Send. I'm not converted. Oh wait, I didn't do error checking. Ha 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 ha. Do I do it in try catch or I throw? I think it should just throw, right? If not gear, if gear doesn't exist, then const error equal to new error. What did I tell user before? Where exists? No, I don't want how exists. We're not found. 4 yeah. We're not found. Was not found or not found? We're not found. Just copy paste, haha. See, more copy pasting, not a good idea, but whatever. Alright, so it should throw a 4 now. Because the RAM doesn't exist, right? Are we not found? 4 not found. Alright. What if we do a CPU? Then 200 okay, we get back the data. With just a CPU, no hardware ID. Wait, the hardware ID shouldn't even be in there, right? Oh no, it will. Now the issue is that status response, HTTP state response status code. Do you return at 200 when user gets the data? I guess so, yeah. 100 okay is good enough. Oh, I got a notification. No, my guy, why do you post it here? More relevant there. Okay, I was writing something on Discord. Alright, so getting A gear works. That's all right. 404 if the key doesn't exist. Then return it if it does, deleting the ID if you find it, because I realized that it should throw an error just now, right? Because it tried to delete something it doesn't exist, or it doesn't even care about it. Because gear doesn't exist, I can't delete something it doesn't exist. Or maybe delete doesn't care. If delete won't throw an error. Delete will try to delete it, but if it can't delete it, then it doesn't delete it. Guess that's how it works, huh? Yes. In any case, wait, did I merge just now? Oh, I didn't. Back. Merge pull request. Yes, merge. Confirm merge. Delete branch, yes. Does it do check? Does it compile? Yeah, build and push. Yes, go for it. Go for it, my guy. Oh, alright. More things on the checklist. Now all we have is we fixed the database ID. We added a new method, which is get a single gear. Next, what I want to do is delete a gear, because right now you see when we've done a lot of testing, this gear is no longer relevant or no longer, well, true to what it's supposed to be. You should really delete that. And yep, adding that. And then I want to add a what do you call it? A badge, status badge. Status badge for showing if the build pass or build fail. No, I clicked the same thing. No. Hello. You see me about, yeah. Like this, yeah, build passing. That's what we want. Whoa, alright. Oh! Merge pull request, it completed it. Alright. Alright, let's go. We show the ID, guys. It no longer shows the ID. Fix deployed. A round of applause to everyone in the chat that helped me get through this. Hog airs. It's deployed, good. Next is my API key was revealed just now, right? I should really change that. I'll change that off stream, obviously. No point in changing it on stream because we will get exposed again. All right, dish. Push it then. Let's see how many changes I did. We add a new function, new method. We remove that. I should really explain that I removed this in the commit, but can't be fucked to do so. Oh, console log. Oh shit, I should remove that. Yeah, babe. Okay, yep, we good now. Is that all added? Exporting more functions, yep. Okay. Then added a get method for single. Okay. Did I stage that? Yeah, I did stage that. Then we push it. Yes. Oh no, I accidentally cancelled. Did I? Yeah, I accidentally cancelled. Yes, origin. Alright. Next is making a delete. Let's make a new branch from master. Feature cat post delete. What did I call it before? Get. What are the methods do you have? Del is it called? Delete. It's actually called delete. Delete. No. We want a new branch. Feature delete. Okay. Oh, I should really pull master first. Yeah, master had an update. Yeah, pull. Yep, and then new branch from master. Feature delete. Okay, beautiful. And then now we do cat and then get a gear, add a component, and then delete the component. Remove a gear. This should be an async function because we're dealing with database, and database always usually want it to be async. Alright, same thing. We'll check for the hardware ID. Oh no. Deleting it, you need to do some errors. You need to check for API key. Oh no, API key is in a different middleware. It's this middleware. Check for key. Okay, then nothing to do with the function here. All right, good. But we still do need to check for this thing. Copy paste again. Haha, not a good idea. Don't do this. I mean, do it if you feel like it needs to be copy pasted rather than refactored. Then I guess you have to check for it and then delete it. Then that's all right. If gear, then delete. Else, error. Const error equal to new error. Hardware not found. Oh, it's supposed to be SN, right? Error, was it status? 4 throw error. How do you delete it? Oh wait, delete. Or maybe we don't find. We just try to delete it. If you can't delete it, then it means. Let's try. Let's see. Mongo DB club. No. They know. Why is my chat? It's not staying on top. Why does it keep changing? There we go. F man, freak. CI filling. Cat W. Insert. Find. Count. Delete one. Oh wait, delete one. Okay, let's try. Let's try to see what it returns. If it returns do you return back the object that you delete? It's like stack popping, pushing popping, stack pop. When you pop a object from a stack, it returns it. You get back whatever you pop, right? But that's popping. That's not really deleting. Probably doesn't really matter. Bad and bushy. What? I didn't really show the whole purpose of the stream is just because I wanna do some coding, and I figured like, hey, why not just stream it? I would have done it a lot sooner, but I just want to know if my computer will die or not, because my main PC is not with me. COVID and everything, can't really get to my PC. CPU time 78, not really a good sign. It's not really dying on me so far when I'm streaming, so it is what it is. How good the stream quality is, who knows? Excellent connection. This is my OBS. How many drops? FPS drops. The hell do I check? Drop frame 0%. Pog. Literally invulnerable. Oh, one thing I realized is that it doesn't show I'm streaming on Discord. Show streaming YouTube on Discord. Will streaming on YouTube show you as live in Discord? Reddit? Yes, let me read that. Only if stream on Twitch at the moment. This is a year ago. Damn it. That really sucks. That really does suck. Why am I here again? 1 hour, Pog? I didn't even know. Oh yeah, I stream, and then also this is supposed to be like a bare minimal stream, you just get your voice, not even a webcam. I mean, I would have my webcam, maybe not, but I didn't have my webcam because I couldn't on Linux, which as you can see I'm currently on Linux. It can't really on Linux. What is it called? Hold on. There's a command that you can show what you're on. Oh, what? Neofetch. Like, I would. You can see this my OS. I might stream with a webcam, but on Linux webcam doesn't really work on my machine. Linux doesn't work well with my machine's webcam, my laptop's webcam. So it's sad, but it is what it is. Even if I could, maybe I won't, because as you can see, even with a bare minimal setup with just screen recording and a voice, my CPU is like going crazy. 72. And this is not X264 recording on a CPU. This is literally using an NVENC encoder, and still it's like 70. I think so, because let's see. Go top. It's OBS using what, 60% of the CPU, but in actuality it's not really using that much. I don't know how it works, but let me show my OBS real quick. You can see it down here, CPU OBS is actually using just 8% of it. It's not even streaming on it's using an NVENC, so hey, whatever, right? If it's NVENC and it's still 76 degrees, 80 degrees. I mean, my proper stream setup, I would have like all the layouts, you know, you have all the intro, and then you have the outro, you have all the UI, you know, you have the what song is playing right now, all this fancy stuff, but you know, keep it bare minimal so my computer don't fucking burn to crisp. Alright, get a gear. We delete it. You just delete it. Let's just try deleting it. Delete one. And then maybe don't do this yet. And then console log it. See what it does. No, that's not what I want. Log the gear and see what it returns. Does it return? If it does delete, does it return does it return the object, or does it return it's successful? If it doesn't, then does it return anything, or does it return null? You know, who knows, right? It can be anything. Delete. Remove gear. Get gear, get gear. So the reason why as you can see, it's an add gear, remove gear, get gear, and then suddenly it's not get gears, and it's not get gear. But I put it get a gear just now. If you notice, what the fuck is this? Get out. It's because that it's not that confusing, you know. Get gears, and then someone might not notice. Oh, there's an S here. What? All right. Yes, and then let's put it into routes. Remove gear, and then router.delete gears.hardware hardware, and then check a middleware, remove gear, all gears. It should. Alright, it works fine. Then new request. CPU. This is a delete, and it should be, let's try deleting RAM. RAM doesn't exist, right? And 4 not found. Oh, it actually returned a 4 for me. 0? It returned 0. What the fuck does that mean? What? Is it literally that the number 0? Does it show how many things that you deleted? Let's try deleting it. Deleting the CPU then. Oops. Where's my thing? 1. Oh, it shows how many you deleted. I see. In that case, alright, then let's do it this way then. Oh, okay, let's how about we do if gear log deleted. I want to know if 0 is considered as false or true. You know, 0 and 1, because I'm deleting one thing. Now I'm always deleting one thing. It's never more than one. It's either 0, you don't find whatever you're trying to delete, or 1, which means it's successfully deleting that one thing. And you know, in computing, usually 0 is false, 1 is true, you know. So if gear is 0, and if it's not 0, meaning it's actually deleted. So meaning if it's 1, so if it's 0, then log it not delete it. I shouldn't check that. That's not what I wanted to do. Here, sign. Check back here. Delete it. Delete it. 0, delete it. Not 0 is 1. Oh, I'm dumb. My bad. Nobody saw that. Then, oops, it's compiling. There we go. Now it should be not deleted because, yep, not deleted because CPU no longer exists, right? Alright, good. We can keep it this way. Pog. Try to delete. And then if it doesn't delete, not delete it. If it delete, then delete. In that case, if this is the deletion, we don't have to do this kind of way where like check if it exists and then delete, and then if it doesn't exist, error. because it will delete first, then let the user know if it fails or not, and we could do it the other way, meaning you don't have the else. We don't need the else branch. Yeah, we can do it this way. Park. Oh no, actually, we can. Oh shit, we can. Because we're throwing an error here, and then we can status respawn. I was thinking that maybe we can keep it the previous way, where you have if gear exists, delete, and then else use error 44, and then inside the if gear exists, we respond to the context with the body of hardware deleted. But there's no need, because if you can just do it like this. What's it? Response body equal to message hardware deleted, comma. Is that how you do it? I forgot it. Route. Oh, you don't need that. You don't need the. Where am I? Why am I up here? Yeah. This should return at 200, right? Because I returned something. The body has something in the body. Like if you think about it, if it fails, like why are you not checking? Why is this not in the if statement or anything, checking if it fails or not? Yeah, true, it is not inside any if statement to check. But because if it fails, I'm immediately throwing an error. So this will never get sent to the user. So that's pretty good. That's a good way to do it. You end the function early, therefore this will never get triggered. Good shit. All right. Now I should be getting a 404. I mean, I do get the 404, but I should get a body 404 here. Hardware not found. Good. But oh shit, I need to do a post request. Wait, why am I not? Oh, I didn't save this. This is delete. It should be up here. This is a post on a CPU. Wait, no. This is on gear with a body of a raw JSON. Where's my insomnia? Or post on gear, not post on CPU. Rename. Should be here then. Save. Get a root. Get everything. Get one thing. Post one thing. Delete one thing. That should be all, right? Yep, we get back. We got 201 created. And then now, if we do delete, save this actually. I have no idea what saving does in Postman, but whatever. How we delete it? Hey, do we send back a 201? Status code. Cheat sheet. Yeah. Both permanently found, authorized, forbidden. Do I send a 401 when user don't have permission? Or do I send a 403? Where's my inside helper? Key auth. 401 and 403. 401 is back key, 403 is missing key. Okay. Big boy. Internal should be 200. Everything success code should be 200. So status code when delete. Status code when deleted. For update and delete. Okay. for a put request, 200 or 200 should imply a resource updated successfully. For delete request, HTTP 200 or 200 should imply the resource updated. What is 204? No content. Or 204 is like it's successful, but it's not. I'm not returning anything back to you. In that sense, 200 should be better, right? That's what 204 so. HTTP can also be written, which implies that instruction was accepted by the server and resource was marked as a deletion. 201 what? 202? Accepted. Oh, your request was accepted. $200 okay, then it's fine then. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Push it then, right? I mean, I'm not doing an end-to-end testing. It might be issue. Alright, let's take a break. Let's push it. Try to merge it. Wait, did I merge it before? I haven't merged this one yet, right? I haven't. Wait, what's this? Oh, this is the merging the merge. I haven't merged this one yet. Let's merge the get for this one. Oh, it's able to merge. You don't have to do anything. Wow. This branch always with the base branch. Merge with the latest changes from master into this branch. Ah, this is where the problem is gonna come. If you try to update this branch. Oh, it updates fine. Interesting. I'm confused what happened just now. The only changes on master before was that we fixed the thing. And then on my get, on this branch, on the get gear branch, obviously there's no, what is this? Or is this fast and this is not? Oh, it's slow. Alright. I mean, if GitHub sells is fine, then it's fine. Let's just merge, whatever, who cares, right? Whatever happens, happens. While it does its thing, let's take a stretch, drink some water, rehydrate, you know. Let's click this so we can see it goes in action. Excuse me. Does it show my password? No, it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Alright. Should pass. Alright, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Should be deployed now. What did we add? Get a CPU. Get a stuff. Is it up? It's up. Okay. Let's do slash CPU then. Hey, we get it. You see this? I mean, it looks the same, but this is one object of one hardware, whereas before, it's an array of object. Big brain, right? Or array of JSON file. I don't know what this thing's called. A JSON object? Probably. What if you go for something else? You go for, oh, what's your RAM? I want to know what you're using. Oops, hardware not found. We did add a post. We can post this. Remember, chat, we can post this. Well, we'll post everything once we finish with the API backend. Alright. We got one more thing to merge. The delete, yeah, the delete. Alright, I think we can safely merge this now. Route delete. Yep. And then here, did I add anything weird? Nope, nothing weird. Right, can stitch this. Sparkles, edit, delete, method, and push to master. Push to origin. There we go. Create a PR, pull request. Come on, where are you? There you are. Pull request. Check mergeability, cannot. Don't worry, you can still with it. Yeah, I probably can't merge because there's a lot of stuff. It's not up to date, you know. Because I think this doesn't have. What doesn't it have? Does it have the fix, the ID fix? It does have the ID fix. It doesn't have add. Yeah, that gear. Get a single gear. Yeah, it doesn't have that. Maybe that's why. Who cares? We just create request and then it'll probably ask us to do a conflict, resolve conflict. Yep. Yeah, resolve conflict. Sure. You can resolve it here. Can't be bothered to resolve it somewhere else. Get gear, add a gear, comp gear, so remove gear. We added this, get a gear. So that should get. Why is this here? Oh yeah. Oops. Wait, what? Hello? Where's my? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about this one up here? Exporting? Oh, this is exporting. What am I on? And then this one should, yep, did it import? Because it's in the same line, guys. Git doesn't know how to fix that shit. You know, you have to do it yourself. You can't have Git do everything for you. Excuse me. All right. Get gear, add a gear. So we need get a gear. Get, what the fuck? Get a gear. Then that's all, right? Oops, that's all I think. Yeah. Max result. Commit merge. Very straightforward. Is it up to date? I think so. So let it do its thing. Meanwhile, what else do we need to do? We do delete. That's all right. What else I need to do? Let's look at what we set out to do. What our goals are supposed to be. Yes. Let's open this. Okay, so we can get all of the gears. We can get one gear. We can add a component. We can delete a gear. We don't really want to delete a component because there's a lot. That's pretty hard to check. I mean, it's tedious. It's not hard. It's just it's weird. You know, like for example, let's look at this. You have this as the component. That's the only thing unique about it, almost in a way. So if you wanted, I mean, you can add an ID to that, and then you have to give that ID to the user so the user know what to delete. But that doesn't make sense. So maybe the user want to delete by name, but then the user don't really know. You know, like is it AMD Ryzen? There's a trademark here, and then 3600. So like, it's pretty cool. Tedious. It's pretty complicated, weird, not really complicated, but weird to check. Like imagine you're trying to delete it, and then you go for like /CPU, and then you give a payload of like whatever component you want to delete. Do we check one by one, like word by word, component fields by field, and if it doesn't match, then you just throw an error. I mean, like it's pretty weird to do it that way. I might be wrong. Someone in the chat, please tell me if I'm wrong. Like maybe you do it that way, but hey, this is my API, right? And my API backend. If I'm not gonna use it, what's the point of having it there, right? So we got the links for clicking. We got the back or whatever banner it is. Banner. Should be it, right? I haven't tried. Did I try? Oh, I did try adding a component. Yeah. I think we're in the home stretch right now. Did it fail? Waiting for status to be reported. Expected. Is it? Oh shit. Is it not? Is it not triggering it? Hello? Sparkle edit delete method on a PR. Hi. Checkbox. Show checkbox. Waiting for status to be. Oh no! It's gonna open. Yeah. Fuck. No, not this. Open with? No. Oh, this. Wait, what? Which? Oh, this one passed. Where's the check mark? I'm lost, dude. I'm confused. This one passed, but this one did not pass. What's going on? From get gear, yeah, okay. And then pull request. Yeah, it passed. I mean, oh, what? What's going on? I'm confused. Merge? That's all I have to do, right? Whatever. Go for it. Merge everything looks fine. Only one way to know. Do I have any still branch? Do I have a still branch? How do I check again? Is it in settings? No, it's not in settings. Oh, no, it is in settings. No, it's not in settings. I lied. I forgot on this. There we go. Branches. Merge. Active branch, but stale. It's not called stale branch. What the fuck does it call? What the fuck is a stale branch then? I thought stale branch is when you stale branch. The oldest references. Oh no, what is a stale? Stale. The main is a better remote checker, which no longer checking anything. Okay. That's not what I meant then. Yeah, gear. This one is. What the fuck did I click? Then guess we can delete get gear. Yeah. Pass. Okay, it passed. I'm doing a get. I'm not doing a delete here. So I can't really. Let's do a delete with my postman. I shouldn't be able to do anything, right? Send. However, they exist. Consider it in the yeah, beautiful. Can I duplicate this and then send it here? You can. Wow, dude. But instead, I wanna. What's this? Copy, delete. Root. Yes. CPU. No. Okay. CPU. And then post. Wait, I do have a post. What? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yep. Need to be deleted. Rename. Does it work? Method not allowed. What am I doing? Oh, this is not the wrong. Wait, what's going on here? Get on gear CPU is not allowed. Why is it not allowed? It's massively down. No, if it's down, it's down. Can we get everything? Oh, it's empty, okay. Oh, uh-oh. We need to fix something, haha. Apparently if you try to do a get a gear, where's get a gear? Oh, I need to go back to master. Then do a pull. Pull 6 commits. Apparently, do a get a gear. I didn't check. No, I do a check. What? Did I not hardware not found? Why does it not say hardware not found then? Raw. Pretty. Method not allowed? Excuse me? Did I mess something up? Get a gear hardware / hardware ID. This one works though, hardware not found. What's happening? Chat, help. I'm confused. Host. Get. Localhost 3000. Guess CPU. Do I have a body? No, I don't have a body. Oh, for what? I'm confused. Was the server down? Is that what happened? I didn't see anything. Okay, alright, sure. Fine. This should be https api.zamkamal.com. Send. We get the CPU back. Beautiful. Audio shouldn't exist, right? Hardware not found. Beautiful. Alright, saved. Delete all the local ones. And then this. Not local. This one is not local. I just copy paste this. Delete. Yeah. We'll try to delete AA. And we're not fun. Beautiful. And then if I try to delete the CPU, how we delete it? Beautiful. And if you get everything back, beautiful. It's empty. Beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Mwah. Delete. Wait, add. How we're not fun. Perfect. Everything works. Everything works. Save. Okay. Now let's start to do a post then. Let's take this and add this again. Body. Oh, I already have it. Oh, what if you add? What if? Oh, did I do some error checking? What if you add more of the stuff that you don't, more than the stuff you need? Like, I did do some validation for, what's it called? Strip unknown, yeah, for this, for adding a gate. Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, I already do this. I already did strip unknowns. Wow, insane. Then, what if you do something like this? Copy this. Can you comma? Add another one. Is it a valid JSON? Not a valid JSON. What if you do it in a... Wait, no, that was it, yep, like that. And then, I hate this UI so much. Okay, what if you do it as an object of array, where in that array, you have an array of object. Say yes right now, chat. Can't do that? Is that not a thing? And a file expected. What? Can you not do that? Can you not send an array of object? This is because yeah. When you have an object, you need to have a field. You can't just have an object and immediately the first thing is just an array. You have to have it, for example, hello, this is the field. Yep, and then there's an array. Yep, and then fine. And then if I try to send, it should be an invalid body. Let's pray my server don't break. Binary field is required. In a sense, that is true, right? Because you only have a field. That's rough. What if someone do add a normal another like add an array of object as the first field, and the rest is perfect, like hardware. The rest is the correct format. Hardware can put. Oh no, it's fine because hello will be stripped. We have this strip unknown true because hello is not hello Google. Why I'm not talking to you? Thank you. Yeah. So it should strip away that. Beautiful. Okay. Then send this. Perfect. Next, what else can we add? Yeah, we need to add the badges, right? But for now, let's add all of the stuff that I want. GPU, yep. I want the image though. So hard to get the image. And is there a way to do this? Faster way to do this? Open image in any type. That's a beautiful GPU. It's not even my GPU. It's not even the one that I bought. But it's okay. Can we bring this closer? Oh no, not this. Not here. Here. Yeah, so it's here. Okay. Next, it's a GPU with a banner of this. Okay, let's copy paste from. I should have it. Let's close all of this. It's all done. Should have it on my Muazzam Kamal. Yep. Source view gears. Oh, it's lagging. Stop. Oops, that's not. Oh, I should close this though now. Don't need that anymore. Galaxy. Yep. CPU, Galax, banner, 10. 201 created. Perfect, beautiful. And just for sanity check, should give back everything, right? Oh, beautiful. It's coming all together now. And then if you get a CPU, we'll get a CPU. If you get a GPU, get a GPU. Oh my god, everything works. Beautiful. This is what all this is root. Yeah, send. Yep. Okay. Post. We're posting more stuff. What's the next one? It should be here, right? We got motherboard next. Oh, do we do mobile or do we do motherboard? Oh, I should do alternate title, right? Well, maybe that's to be added into the list. Like if someone were to search for /motherboard, gears /motherboard, they probably wouldn't find it because the unique name is mobile. So probably you need to have one unique name and I have alternate name for it. So mobile and motherboard are mainboard. Oh, but that's not even a good idea. For now, let's just keep it this way, mobile. And why am I copying that? That's not what I want to copy. No, it's not there. Wait, it is there. Oh no, that's not what I want. Keep it back here then. Ooh. 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 What's this? GPU, motherboard, there we go. This is a mobile. I mean, if by mistake I were to post existing hardware, it shouldn't let me, right? Beautiful, it shouldn't let me. Perfect. Auto2 unprocessable entity because yep, entity is not what I want. Server throws back of Auto2. Nice, nice. So this should be a mobile and a banner. This is not the banner. RAM mobile. Open in new tab. Is this the motherboard? Yep. Oh no, it doesn't work that way, huh? Sand. Beautiful. Alright. Next. We got a RAM. There, way to do this faster. Probably no. There's two of them. Yeah, this is where quantity is useful, guys. Told you. There's a use for it. RAM. Open a new tab. Copy. That looks like it's pixelated as hell. Pew 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 pew. Is it this here? No, that's not it. This one. And what is it called? Galaxy 8G, maybe 8G. Galaxy Gamer 2 Plus layer. Oh yeah, two of them. The hyperlink and a banner. Mobile. Nope. See, if I were to send that request, it wouldn't even work. Beautiful. RAM done. Next, PSU. Silverstone. Silverstone, just one of them. That makes no sense to have two in my PC. Not even using that much power. Next one is the link, right? Pursue link. My brain, I don't even know where is where is what. This is small, right? This text is small, I just realized. Can you guys even see it? There we go. Now we can see. What did I add? Silverstone tag. Yeah, that one, and a banner. Banner for Pursue. Open in the new tab. Banner, yep. That changed? It did change, I thought it didn't. Wait, I can see the name actually. Pursue San. Yep, 201 created, beautiful. Monitoring is next. Pew 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 pew. Monitor. Let's change it to motherboard for the other one. Mobile motherboard. Yeah, I mean more common term is motherboard, right? Nobody really uses it. Not common, we do it to mobile. The reason I use mobile because it looks nicer here, you know. Motherboard is too long. We already have keyboard, which is kind of relatively long. What did I change? Monitor name. BenQ. There we go. Almost there, guys. Almost there. No, this is not where I want. Yep. Monitor, and then we need a banner. Banner, paste, send. Oh. This is where you have two components, see? That's not what I want to copy. I want to copy this. Audio. Did I copy a link? Oh yeah, no, that's not a link. TT1. I should copy paste this actually. Yep, and then drop. This is my earphone. And two links. Where is it? Come on, focus right. Oops, not here. Let's write link. And then India monitor link. Well, we'll review back all whatever we just added to the database, added to the API database. Then we'll see if we messed up anything. Banner. Where's banner? Banner's done. Okay, where is banner link? Oh no, what the fuck am I on about? Banner link is here. Tag W. Yep. Audio, two components, one banner. 201 again, nice. Ducky. Change the first one then. Ducky one to I have two keyboards. Should I mention both? I should actually mention both, right? What's the point of having array of components if I only use it one? I mean that's the usage of it, right? Keyboard. Ducky, and then what is it even called? The NPro, is it? NPro. NPro2.com? Where's NPro1.com? Excuse me? I mean, I know NPro1 is kinda obsolete, but not even the right website, dude. What the fuck? Obins, yep, there we go, that's the one. Not secure, Monkas. NPro, okay, NPro, that's all, that's the name, NPro. Do we call it NPro or Beans? I don't know, dude. You tell me. Wait, that's not what. Yeah, here we go. I guess we do Obins and Pro like that. What key is this? Is it Kale? Kale. Right. Is it Kale Rat? I don't remember. Oh wait, I have it on my Twitch. I think so. What time is it? It's almost 2. We have a what's the word? Yes, a Watch Dogs 2 free to be collected on Ubisoft store, whatever. But it's within the 2-hour window frame, which at 2 a.m. later. So I mean, if I don't get it, I don't get it. If the server get a what do you call it? love hug, death hug, or whatever it's called it. If like too many people DDoSing it, then like, what am I doing here all about? I changed it. F, man, F. I changed it so that I don't have everything here. Instead, I just click the link and then you go to my website. But then, my website, I didn't have 2 keyboards here. I didn't mention it. I guess we can switch. Banggood, was it? And Pro. Gatoron, yeah, not Chaos, it's Gatoron. Gateron. Thing is slowing down, man. Hello, my PC gonna crash. Gatoron. Close. So we have keyboard, one ducky, and Pro, Gatoron, Red, and Pro. And we need a banner for that. Keyboard, put in a new tab, copy link. That should be it, right? Keyboard, yep, sent. Alright, nice. And then last one is mouse. It's a SteelSeries NC310. And we should have a link down here somewhere. I'm hungry, man, I'm hungry. Some food, I think that's a fried rice for me. In the fridge. We don't need 2 of this, it's only 1 mouse, I don't have a lot of mouse. And then a banner. We open a new tab. I mean, I could add a mouse pad too, but I don't use any. I just use any random generic mouse pad. It costs like what, $10? Way less than 10. Oh yeah, but about $10 I say. Why am I pasting here? You're right. Should be here. Mouse, yep. Send. Save. Beautiful. Let's get. Get all of it. Get kiss. Send. Oh, beautiful. Visualize. What does visualize do? Turn raw data into beautiful by adding visualize. Learn how. Nah, fuck that. Yeah, you get a CPU. Ryzen 3600. Link is AMD Ryzen. Banner is a CPU banner. GPU a Galaxy 2060. Galaxy Link. Ooh. Oh no, this is just a wraparound. Okay. And a GPU banner. Motherboard. Oh, I should really change it, right? Oh, but if I delete this, it's gonna be gone from here. But then it's gonna be added way down here, right? That's, I mean, in that sense, I don't like the ordering, but what can you do, right? I could access the backend directly and change that mobile to be a motherboard, or I don't mess with the backend directly and just use my delete function, delete methods, and post another one, right? That's the more sensible way of doing it. Does my OCD care? My OCD does care. Alright, I'm changing the database directly. You guys see any key? Oh yeah, you can see my key if I open it. Never mind, let's not do that. I'll do it later. Motherboard B450, motherboard link, motherboard banner, RAM, 2 of them. Galaxy RAM PSU 1 silver, PSU monitor, BenQ link, and Amazon. BenQ doesn't have this monitor anymore. They don't even have it on their website. So that's why I have to. It's even on Amazon actually. Control click. If you click the link, it doesn't even yeah, not even available, you know, because there's a new version. they mention it? I think they mention it somewhere as a new model. Maybe no, maybe they don't. I don't know. Anyway. Where am I? Oh, okay. Audio to product. Focus right. Mass drop. I don't even know the link is still here. Still valid or not. 2i2 Google keyboard. The key Obins. Keyboard, mouse. It's beautiful. All right. If everyone give yourself a pat on the back, pat on the back, pat in the back, pat on the back. We achieved something today, and to finish it off, let's do. Oh, what is it? I closed it. Do I have the link here? Oh no, it's not. Why? No, that's not it either. It's the status badge. Do I add it up here or add it down here? I add it up here, right? Because down here makes no sense because I have this credit for this image. Shield. Is it Shield.io? Yeah, Shield.io. What did I use for the Eximia bot? I mean, to be honest, I can just check here, right? No, Eximia bot. Am I blind? Oh, here. GitHub. And I just copy this. Is that the right? I just do that. Is that seems like a good idea? Align center. And then preview to the side. Close that. Can I close that? Close that. What did I do here? Oh, I need a BR here. A break. Passing, okay, but this is not what I want. I want it to be Muazzam Kamal here. There's a way for us to select both of whatever is currently selected. Alt? Was it Alt? No, Shift. Oh no, Shift. What the fuck? No, Shift Alt, Control Alt. Nope. Control Shift. Nope. I want to know. What is it called? VS Code. Hotkeys. Bindings. No, this is not what I want. What's this? Oh, my songs. Key. Reference. This is what I want. Multi-cursor is somewhere on the left side, I think. Not on the left side. I like multi-cursor. There we go. Control Shift L. So you do it this way. Control Shift L, and then you can replace it. Muazzam Kamal, big brain, and then you can select this one too. Or maybe even bigger brain. You can select this too, and then Muazzam Kamal /API bigger brain. Yeah, I know. What did I click? It's not fun because it's trying to find this, but in reality that's not what it's called. In here it's called build. So deploy is what it's called. deploy. Guess it doesn't work, huh? Would assume it should have just worked. All right, we'll look at it. Build. There you go. GitHub workflow status. User repo workflow. Yeah. User is normal API. Deploy. Build passing. What the fuck? Mine lost. Copy HTML. Oh, it does. It didn't update fast enough, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. We commit this first. Wait, what is this? What the fuck is this? Nice and status. This is not API. This is an Xemia pod. No, it's not it then. Oh, there we go. Let's copy everything. Revert changes. Wait, no, I should be able to just check out the new branch, right? With these changes, can I? I can't be fucked to think about it right now. Discard changes. New branch from master. Doc. Let's call it doc. Readme update. Update readme. And paste this back in. Should be it. Running. Yeah. And then we need running. Oh shit, no, stop. Why is it going up? Stop going up. I wanna commit this first. Should be pencil, right? Pencil. So, I think so, pencil. Gitmoji. Writing docs, right? Readme. Is there readme? Readme. Nope. This is pencil then. Pencil. Edit. Build. Build status batch. And then this should be this one. Copy. This is pencil also. Updated. Should be fixed or updated. Updated. Deno run actually. Does it work if I do Deno run? Should work, right? Denon is just a file watcher where it, like, you see it's watching that path and everything. If there's a changes, it will rerun this thing instead of like it runs. But then if you do any changes, you have to exit it and then you have to run it again. So Denon is basically a file watcher. We'll just keep watching it. Deno, yep. Updated. Command for running. Arrêter permission for running the server. Updated Deno permission. The Deno run permission. Okay, next we want to include running Docker. Honestly, I have no idea. Because I didn't even compile it on my... I did. How to build Docker. Run and build your image. Yes. Honestly, I barely know anything about Docker. I know enough to get to use it. So maybe probably I don't have any. Can I? How do ZSH command history? That's a history file. Nope, it's not there. .zsys vim.zsys.rc. Oh, that's a ZSH history. Yep. Docker. How do I keep searching for next? There you go. Oh, the Docker build tag with a T, tag with the API, and then oh, that doesn't work. Oh, this one I was trying to figure out how to run Docker without sudo, build a Docker without sudo, then Docker build tag. Should I? No, I shouldn't. Should I? What does init do? I don't know. Maybe I don't care. Haha. Okay, who knows? Stop going up. Docker. Why is this different color? What is this? Why is it mad? Space inside code span. Did I add it? Oh, I did add it. Docker build. Yeah, API server. Let's go API server so you understand what's going on. Dot. Inside after cloning this repository and navigating setup, clone this repo I can't spell repository. Can you tab like that? Shit, that's not what I want. Git clone https github.com/mozakamal/api.kit. How does it look? No, that's not what I want. Oh no, it's not. Oh, stop. How did I put a tab? Oh, there we go. That's the tab. Clone this repo. Oh my fucking god, dude. Stop. Clone this repo. Navigate to the root directory of the repository. I think that's the correct link, right? Oh my god, how do you use the new UI code? Yeah. Copy. Navigate to the directory. Run. 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 Run the server. Excuse me. Run the server as below, as mentioned, as stated, as run the server as mentioned below. That should be it. And the API server as mentioned below. I mean, for people who actually know what the command does, they will know like, oh, this API server is that you're tagging the build. You're building it on a root folder which has a Docker file. This close. This Docker file. Basically, I mean, you can specify the exact Docker file by using this Docker file, but I mean, it's the same shit with sim doing this, because it will always look for the current directory Docker file. Unless there's multiple Docker file, or like your Docker file is not named Docker file, then maybe you have to specify it's like custom name. But Docker will try to find the Docker file in the directory, in whatever directory you specify, the dot specify the current directory, you're tagging it with this, and then you're building it. People who knows probably doesn't want it to be named API server, maybe they want to name it as test server or like whatever. Alright, then you run it. You build it and then you run it. Where the hell am I? Oh, I closed it. Oh, no, what? It's here. What am I on? And then you expose the port. Should be API server. Yeah, should be it then, right? Maybe you can run it as a detach if you want, but the people who knows about Docker probably would actually care about Docker. Do I want to mention that do you have the Docker image? You don't have the Docker image. You have to build it yourself, huh? Oh, maybe we can just mention it down here. Nah, fuck that. So I'm using Deno. I'm using Oak with the Deno. And also I'm using Mongo. Mongo should be in a different. Where am I? Commit first actually. Cancel. Come on, why is okay? I thought my PC lag. Cancel edit Docker guide. Docker setup guide. And then we mentioned the technology. Should be MongoDB. Is that how you spell it? MongoDB. Come on. Oh, the small. Oh, M is small. Okay. MongoDB Deno. Like maybe it shouldn't matter. Oh, why did I use GitHub link? Then I prefer the GitHub link. Then give me the GitHub link instead. What else? What else did I use? I use Yup. The reason why I put MongoDB outside is it's not directly tied to Deno like Oak, whereas in Oak is a what is Oak actually? Deno middleware framework. Yeah, middleware framework for Deno and server. Usually you use Express when you use with Node. Oak is essentially the same shit. I think it might have I talk about Express. Inspired by Core. Express somewhere like that. Yeah, framework like Express and Core. But Express and Core is for Node.js, whereas this is Deno. Not like a sister. Deno and Node is kinda like siblings. Deno is the younger sibling. Alright, what else? MongoDB. Oh, I need to mention Yup. I use Yup for validation. Yup. Yup does have for Node, if I'm not mistaken. Yup validation. Yeah, that simple object schema validation. Okay, what else did I use? Helper, database. This is Mongo. This is Yup. Controller, gear. I use all of my stuff. This I request. This request. Is it right? Main. This is Deno stuff. Type no. Router. I use router from the Oak, and yeah. Should be it, right? See how it looks. Build passing REST API with Deno. Setup, clone this repository, clone navigate directory, run space US below, running with Docker. Technology, Deno with Oak, Yup, MongoDB and TypeScript. Oh, Docker. Yep, I need to mention Docker too. Yeah, for sure. I saw it alphabetical. I like alphabetical. Let's do alphabetical. And Docker is down here then. Oh, but Docker is not. It should be at the end. Should be after TypeScript. Should it be after TypeScript? Yeah, because this is one like Deno until TypeScript. This is one thing, and then it is encapsulated inside Docker. So I guess in that sense it should be somewhere else. Docker.io, is that the link? Docker.com. Get started with Docker. Okay, let's preview again. Yep, TypeScript Docker, beautiful. Okay, alright, then we can push it. Cancel updated technologies list. Technologies? Should it be plurals or singular? I think it's fine either way. Then we push it to this. Yep. Usually you don't really do like branching like this. Keep branching. I mean, yeah, branching and then you merge it back and then you push to master. That makes more sense. But because you're a single dev, right? Like what I'm doing right now, I'm a single dev working on this. So you don't really need to do PR for all of them, because it makes no sense usually. I mean, it makes less sense because you use PR for discussing with your peers, discussing with other developers, like, oh, is this especially for checking reviews, you know, like when you do a PR, like for example, I mean, I didn't set it up, but you can have someone letting you know, like once you do your PR, request a PR, do a PR, yeah, because PR is a pull request, and then you can have some people set as reviewers. They can check like, oh, is this PR good? Oh, I shouldn't really do this. So I'm just checking. Ah, let's fix that after this. Let's fix it after this. Because right now, when I do a PR with just readme, it triggers it. I mean, it's fine. It's not doing anything insane. Oh fuck, it's gonna go here. Fuck. I mean, it builds the Docker image and it doesn't even run. It just tries to build it. If it builds and then okay, it's fine. But it's just a readme, right? Nothing changed. Yeah, I can merge. Like, this is not an efficient way of merging stuff. Because I'm not even doing any review. Nobody's reviewing for me. I'm a single dev. Nothing to discuss. I'm just using it because I like clicking pull requests, and also if you merge locally, if I'm not mistaken, you can't see your branches. Let's see, is it the commits? No, it's not commits. Is it core network? Yeah, you don't see this thing. I like seeing this thing. What is this? This is from somewhere, and then blah blah blah, whatever this is, and then this is from third branch, and the second branch merge this back here. I like seeing this kind of stuff, you know, cool stuff. What is this? Doc. Oh, I need to merge this back, so this will go back in. So while this merge here, and then while this still goes, like, it kind of gives the sense of working in a team, even though I'm alone. I haven't had a chance to work GitHub or Git with a team yet. Kind of interested to know how it works. No, I get how it works, but I want to know how. Ooh, security lit. I kind of want to know how difficult it is to work with a team on GitHub or Git project. I can close this. I should be able to just merge this, and there's nothing will let's see. You won't trigger anything, right? Okay, there's no green, or there's no action, no GitHub actions being triggered, because on my workflow, where's my workflow? Oh, not this. On my deploy workflow, it only checks for these two things. So I should do the same thing over here. On a pull request on that branch, I have to do this. Is it like that? Does that work? On push, this branch, path. On pull request, branches, a path. Should be out here. Oh, this is the wrong branch. Cut all changes. Oh, what the fuck is this? Come to sec. Hello? Okay, there we go. Back to master. Pull. What the fuck is this? Pull API. Where's my API? Master. Okay. How many OKs have I said today? It's an OK counter or something. Yeah, beautiful. This. Need the construction guy. Construction worker. Did I just copy paste from Gitmoji? Create a branch, fix, PR action. This way, when it's a pull request onto the master, it will check if these two things. Oh, but it won't work. See. Because I have, when you want to merge into master, there's a requirement that I set that you have to you have to pass this check. But if this check was not triggered, does it mean it considered as a pass, or does it still wait for it to pass but it won't pass because it's not even run? In that sense, I probably just gonna ignore it. Can I delete branch, delete branch, direction, select branch, delete. What the fuck? Change to different branch first. Master, delete branch, BI, direction. Alright, okay. I think I forgot to delete the branch on yep, there's 2 branch here. Forgot to delete this one. So every time I updated anything on or doing a PR, doesn't matter if it's a readme or not a code, and it is still gonna run the build, Docker build. But hey, doesn't cost anything, so it's fine. I'm fine with that. So now if you look at our, no, not inside. Oh, no, it is inside network. It merged back. Beautiful. Alright, that will be it for today. Are we even live? Yeah, we're still live. Alright, cool. Can we check here? We can still check here. What happened if I click end stream here and I click end stream at my end? I don't know. You know, part of me would say just stop streaming on my OBS instead of here, right? What's the difference? I have no idea. But probably I will click on my end. Oh, I'm gonna do something insane here. Let's set up a new scene, and then I will change to that scene. Oh, that was, I accidentally clicked it. I thought you have that kind of swoosh kind of thing from the side to side, you know. Apparently I don't have it. Never mind. Alright. Thanks for watching.